Okay, we encounter an error. Error is general error. Field password does not have default value. The issue with the password field, we need to check in our code what parent ID, company ID, country, state, name, email, phone. We are encrypted our phone. This is not. We required a field password, Control L and Control Shift to delete, to duplicate the line. So password, password. Let's remove decrypt from our phone, and we will decrypt. Um, okay, save it. So parent ID, company ID, country, state, name, email, password, decrypt, request password, phone, city, address, postcode, role, status, and logo. Save it. Let's refresh our quest one more time. Manager, and the email is manager.test 12345 6. Choose role manager, select the company and the department. Okay, and let's submit our quest. Again, base table or view, not form. Which one? Smart expense user detail does not exist. Okay. Where is the user detail? We need to check the model. User detail. User detail. Okay. What we are pulling? User detail. User detail. Okay. And here we are. User detail. User detail, we are using user underscore details table, and in a database it is user dash table. That's why it's making a problem, because the query doesn't find the table. Let's edit this. We say user underscore details and save it. Okay, we have saved it. Let's close this and let's refresh one more time. Lot of typing error. Manager test 12345 6. Manager online Rana, and the department is these, accounts, status active. So submit. So the email has already taken, because when we create the first request, you see there is the only error about user detail. The user has been created because in our field that the user, we are first saving the user. So user is created. So when it tries to send the data to a user detail table, so there was the error of a user and typing error, user underscore details. So that's why this table is, I think, created, user created, and the data is not sent to the user detail. And right now, when I try to send the user detail manager test again, it says the email has already been taken. So we need to check in our user. The user is already created. See, manager test is already created. See, let's remove this. Delete selected record. Okay, deleted. And let's come to our browser. Refresh one more time. Manager, manager test 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, choose role manager and choose the department, and let's submit. Submit. Again, general error, field company ID does not have default value. Into a user detail. Okay. Again, the user will be created but not in the user detail table. Let's remove this from here. In a user detail, so we need a company ID. And why it is not a company? There are another typing error, which is a dash, and we need a company underscore ID, and this ID is coming from this company ID. Okay, refresh, and manager, email manager 1 2 3 4 5 6. Choose the role, choose the company, and select the department. Okay. Let's uncheck it. Submit. Boom. That's great. Now we have new record inserted, and we can check in our database. So here, this new user has the company ID one. This user has two companies, Online Rana, Afantech, and the categories that he has a category department 1 2 3 and 12. So accounts department, IT, HR, and you can see it in our user are in. If a user refresh, so manager is created, and default is company name is null, and default is company ID is 1. Okay. In a category, so finance is 1 ID, HR is 2, and IT is 3. So these three departments, and the bookings 11 is allocated to the this new user. So 1 2 3 and 12. Okay, if I logged in, because we have not the user to list, so we can log in this newly created user. It make a better understanding. So manager at test, and password is 1 2 3 4 5 6. Login. So this user is logged in, and if I go to its departments and period, see it has in Online Rana company a finance, HR, and IT, and but not shown displaying this company. We will fix it. It's not matter. Okay, change company, because this user has a manager two companies, Online Rana and a Fantech. If I go to a Fantech, so see this Fantech is selected and it is displaying, and in a Fantech it has only accounts and booking departments. But we have assigned only the accounts, not the booking. In a displaying, there will be, we will fix it. So the purpose is we can successfully create a user, and the company is also allocated those newly user, and we can find also it's the request. Okay, in next video we will try to list the user created. Also mm, I think we will should list the user first, then we will edit the user. Okay, log into your super admin, and we will need to create another user. In a user, add new user. This time we will add a member, and member test 123456, phone 00923334089872, city Lahore, address Lahore, postal code, and the role is user, and we will assign only one company and only one department, booking. Okay, submit. So new user, new record inserted. We can check it in our first user. So member is created, member test, and in a user details, see this user has an ID which is 6 and its parent ID is 1. Manager, the parent ID is also 1. That means that superadmin rana.outlook.com has created these user, manager, and member. In a user detail, so we have a new user detail for user ID 6. Its allocated company is 2, online Fantech, and its category ID department that are allocated to this use only the 11. Okay, let's log in and check it. Member test and 123456. Login, and let's see its companies. So it is also seen at 2 companies. There is a problem. Okay, we'll check it. In a Fantech, it has also showing the 2 department as well. We need to also fix that. So we will fix the issue. First, we need to create a list and edit our user first. Okay, login. So stay tuned. We'll see you in the next video.